Where is the fuse box located on the 2021 GMC Terrain? The fuse box diagram and location help identify and access fuses, ensuring proper function of electrical components. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Terrain manages essential electrical systems like engine control, ABS, and cooling fans. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and troubleshooting. The protective cover shields components from moisture and debris. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2021 GMC Terrain controls interior electronics like lights, power outlets, and infotainment systems. It has clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. The block is protected by a panel to prevent dust and debris buildup. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Terrain controls electrical components for the rear of the vehicle, such as the tailgate and rear lighting. It features labeled fuses for easy identification and a protective cover to prevent damage from cargo or debris.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.